What's up mga quiz, mga atis, welcome back sa aking channel. This is Quiz Anan at ngayong araw meron tayong papanoorin video galing sa Star Music. Tama ba? Star Music? Yeah, ABS-CBN Star Music, kung saan nag-collaborate yung dalawang singers from two different network, ABS-CBN at GMA Network. So, yung dalawang artists ay sina Eric Santos at Julian San Jose. So, they perform the song Nothing's Gonna Change My Love For You. So, excited ako mapanood to at later ibibigay ko yung reaction ko kung ano masasabi ko dito sa performance ng dalawang sikat na singer, diba? From two different networks. So, with no further ado, let's watch the video and later I'll be giving my reaction and opinion on the said video. So, let's go!
Wish 1075.
I had to live my life without you near. The days would all be empty. The night would take so long. With you it seemed forever, oh so clear. I might have been in love before, but it never felt this strong. I tried to get it. You'll take us where we wanna go. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't wanna live without you. Nothing's gonna change. You wanna know better how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ever move you. My love for you. You wanna know better how much I love you. You wanna change my whole life, but nothing's gonna change my love for you.
If it all has not so easy, I love you either way. Like a guiding star, I'll be there for you when you should need me. You know I can change a thing. I love you just the way you are. So come with me and share it. I'll help you sing forever till. Hold me now, touch me now. I'll live without you. You're not gonna change my life for you. You are my man, how much I love you. More than you can imagine. I'll never ever move you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You are the man, how much I love you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You are the one how much I love you. Oh, you can't be sure. I'll never come on. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You are the one how much I love you. Nothing change my heart. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you.
Wish exclusive on Wish 1075.
Okay, tayo pa napanood natin yung performance ni na Eric Santos at Julian San Jose na pinarform yung kanta na Nothing's Gonna Change My Love For You, and this is a collaboration between two artists from different network, yung ABS-CBN Studios sa GMA Network. And this, I think this is the first time Oh, no. This is not the first time na nag-collaborate si Julian na with the other network. She already did with Gary Valenciano, if not mistaken. So, she did already that. So, yun. To sa performance nila, wow, ang sarap pakinggan. And dito mo makikita na talagang galing GMA si Julian San Jose because ang galing niyang yung maki-harmony sa mga ka-singers niya, ay ka-duet niya or kasama niya sa kapag kumakanta in a group. And yan talagang nakita mo, walang sapawan, walang angatan, and they show professionalism, they show yung kung ano maganda for the song. And ito talaga ang tatak GMA when it comes to sa mga singers. And sa boses ni Julian, wala tayong masasabi. One of the best voices and one of the most how you call it, yung magandang boses, yung nasa dila ko yung sasabihin ko sana, basta one of the best singers na she can do every kind or every genre sa music, diba? So yun, versatile yun. Yung gusto ko sabihin, very versatile yung boses niya. And ang sarap pakinggan sa time yung boses ni Julian. I think only few singers talaga ganito yung klase ng boses na ang ganda pakinggan sa tenga, na kahit hindi nagbibirit, you can say na how great as a singer yung tao, diba? Ganun kasarap pakinggan sa tenga, diba? Now with Eric Santos, one of my favorite male singers ng generation na to, and I consider him this generation's balladeer because so far yung mga nakasabay niyang singers, I think kay Eric talaga ako masyadong humanga when it comes to voice quality. Ang gandang pakinggan yung boss niya, and kahit anong klaseng kanta ipakanta mo sa kanya, ang sarap pakinggan. And ang dito sa video, tuwang-tuwa ako maganda yung harmony niya with Judy and San Jose, at bumagay, diba? Bumagay yung both bosses ng dalawa. And isa pang nagustuhan ko kay Eric is that sa mga kasabay niya, kasi karamihan bumibirit. Yung mga kasabay niyang lalaki, karamihan bumibirit, diba? Pero ito, hindi siya masyado bumibirit, pero ramdam mo yung strength ng boses niya, yung emotion niya, diba? And kahit kumanta man siya ng pang female songs, pero lalaki pa rin yung dating ng boses niya, diba? Diba yung performance niya? So yun, so congrats to ABS-CBN Star Music, because ang ganda tong collaboration para diba ma-end na yung network war, and yun nga, makaroon ng chance na mag-collab yung mga singers from two different network, diba? Para para i-share yung mga talents nila in one project. And I heard itong sina Eric Santos at si Julian, makakaroon ata silang concert by March. I have no idea yung title, pero parang nagkaroon ng merong naganap ata lately na parang promotion for that concert. So yun, so kung ano man yun, hanapin nyo na lang. Kasi hindi ako familiar to sa parang collaborated concert ni na Eric Santos at ni Julian San Jose. Pero again, congrats in advance na to, because this will be Julian's first concert after yung concert niya with her fellow Queendom, diba? Queendom singers na very successful last year, mga December yun. So this is the follow-up project naman niya, follow-up concert niya, and this time with Eric Santos. So yun, so congrats again to Eric and Julian San Jose, kasi ang galing-galing ng performance niyo, and I love it. And I hope sana more projects pa aside from yung ito collaboration na project na to, pagkanta and the concert, more sa album siguro, sana magkaroon sila ng album together, diba? Kasi ang galing, especially si Julian naman, libre naman siya kasi as a singer she is under Universal Records, so as actress naman she is under GMA, pero inaalaw naman ng GMA na ipahiram siya sa ABS-CBN Studios, diba? So, yun. So, there you go. So, kung nagustuhan nyo yung mga quiz, mga artists, yung performance nila, Eric Santos at Julian San Jose, mag-comment kayo dito sa baba. At kung nagustuhan nyo naman yung performance ko, binigay kong opinion at reaction, mag-comment kayo dito sa baba. And I will read all your comments and I will try to react kung kailangan mag-react. And before I end this video, please don't forget these 4 things for watching me my videos on my channel. Comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channels. Ang pilit talaga channel, The Alanski Show, proudly from the vlogs, at the Matlam People present. So maraming salamat. Have a nice day and bye-bye.